Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by going into Recorder app and tapping on one of those modes available at the top: Standard, Interview or Speech to Text. When you're ready, click on the red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same button. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark icon over here. And to listen to it right away, pause it, swipe it, and use play button on the left. If you wish to end it and save it though, select this square on the right. Then name your recording however you want to, and tap on save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, you need to hold it instead. Click on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!